Hello guys, nice to have you here. Welcome back to my channel. This is Top Skincare, your #1 organic skincare and beauty series. Okay, well, your skincare is our interest, our utmost priority. We teach you about your skincare and your health care, because whatever you take in is what gives you the result on the outside, and whatever you apply on the outside, it what makes the skin beautiful or wrinkled. Okay, so in order to stay healthy, Top Skincare is here again with another interesting topic. Yes, you will like this one. Don't go anywhere. If you're just joining our channel, do well to follow our page. Okay, tap on your notification button, click on your notification button and turn it on, so that whenever we drop new content, you will be the first to like it. It's important you subscribe to this channel because we always bring you very educating and interesting topics, remedies and treatments for healthcare and skincare. Okay, so today we are taking you through on how to treat ulcer. Yes, you heard me. How to treat ulcer with a very simple recipe from the comfort of your kitchen. You will like this one. Draw close. Don't skip any parts. Follow this video judiciously until you get to where we are going. It's a very simple video. It's a short one, but at the end of the day, you're going to get the knowledge you need for a lifetime. Okay, you can also use this knowledge to make money. Yes, you can use this knowledge to make money. Don't forget to share our videos, subscribe, call people, let them come see what you have learned. Okay, this is very beneficial and that is why we put it here. Now let's go straight to the deal of the day. This is an unripe plantain. Okay, it's not a very strong one, but almost strong. Okay, almost strong. So I had to cut it from the stem the way you saw it. So you are going to wash it properly. Wash it very clean with clean water, and then you're going to divide the back and bring out the plantain seedling inside and separate it from the back. The next thing you're going to do is wash it with a very clean water. Okay, and then let's proceed. Keep watching the video and see how I do it. I'll be coming in from time to time to tell you what is expected of you. I hope you enjoy this video as we go on. Now, the next thing you're going to do with this almost strong, almost matured plantain is you're going to divide it and cut it into chunks or cubes, as you may call it. Just chopping it like the normal chopping you want to cook, but it's going to be in a very smaller, tiny form. You can see the way I am cutting it. So I will tell you why you have to cut it this way. You need to be patient while you are doing this. It's not going to take much of your time, but you need to do it right. Okay, so follow me as we proceed. This is two sizable plantain, depending on the size or quantity of my water and bucket. Okay, so for the right size, at one taking, this is what you need. Okay, so if you have a very big plantain, you can do one plantain, but if you don't have a very big plantain and you have this size, you can do two of this. Just ensure it's clean and then you cut it in the right direction. Now the next thing is, after cutting it, you're going to put the plantain aside. Okay, and then we are going to chop the back. the back of the plantain. Can you see I'm chopping it very, very tiny? This is a little bit stronger than the regular plantain, so I can't cut it with my fingers the way I do. You can decide to use a chopping board to cut it. Okay, this is how you cut it into very minute tiny particles, very tiny particles. Okay, so let's proceed. Keep watching the video, don't skip a thing so you don't miss out. So after chopping it, you bring the two together. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, so this is the bucket, the container I want to use to fill this my plantain. You can see I washed it earlier. It's very clean. So hygiene is the number one, the watchword here. So I washed it, it's very clean. I'm going to fill the container with my plantain seeds, and then followed by the back. Yes, so you're refilling it like this. That's it. Can you see that? Okay, let's proceed. After which you're going to refill the container containing the plantain and the bag with a drinking clean water. Right, it has to be water, not direct from the tap. It has to be a very clean water. Okay, so fill it up to a certain space and give space so that when you cover it, it will not spill. Okay, all right, so that's how it's done. You will see that the plantain seed goes down because of its weight, and then the back floats on the water. Okay, the back floats. You cover it tightly and neatly, and you're going to keep this combination in a safe, cool area. Find any part of your room and keep it, not in the fridge. Okay, so it's going to be kept there for a period of 3 days. So after 3 days, this is what happens. You can see that there's fermentation that has taken place. All the plantain that you cut earlier have now fermented and has gone to the bottom of the container, while the bark is still separated and hanging, okay, floating on the water. Can you see that? That was the essence of cutting it tiny, okay, so that you can have that fermentation process in 3 days. So this is the deal time. So what do you do with this mixture? It has become a mixture now. You bring it out of the comfort zone after 3 days. You are going to stir it properly to make sure that the separation is mixed. Okay, so you stir it properly, and then you have this look. Oh my god, if you see this look, it's very appetizing. Oh my god, it's very appetizing. So you have this sifa, right? This one has no hole, is very tiny, like a net kind of sieve. Okay, so you use that net kind of sieve. But if you don't have that sieve, you can use sieve cloth. You know, sieve cloth that you use to filter stuff, you can use it. Now the mistake I made in this video is that I tried to filter it directly into the cup. Okay, so please don't make that mistake. You can get a clean bowel and place your sieve over the clean bowel and then you filter directly. Okay. Don't make this mistake I made, because I'd already started sieving this before I realized that I was making a mess on the table. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad thing to sieve directly into your cup if you have a tiny small sieve, okay? But in my own case, this sieve is not tiny, so trying to sieve it directly into a cup meant making a mess on the table. Everything just spilled on the table. But that's notwithstanding, so I'll go ahead and sieve my recipe, and then let's see what we get at the end of the day. Oh my God, can you see that? So we have separated the shaft from the mixture, and then remember to turn this back into the container, because this one that you have mixed now, you're going to add water to it, and you're going to use the same one again. Okay, so you don't waste it. You add water to it, cover it tightly, and still keep it in a corner for the next day. Yes, so after the 3 days of sieving it out, the next water you're adding is for the next 2 days. Sorry, is for the next 2 days. So this one can take you the next 2 days, because before you can do away with it and go ahead to prepare another combination. Okay, can you see how it looks now? So this is the liquid has been separated from the mixture, and it's looking like you added milk, but if not, it's very, very yummy.
Let's enjoy our recipe. It's a rich one, and after this ulcer is gone forever, so it's expected that you take this medication for 14 days. Okay, so you're taking it for 14 days. You take it every two days. Every two days you take a glass. Every two days you take a glass. So that's how it works. So let's enjoy together. It's very rich. It's very rich as compared to what I felt it was gonna be like. It's rich, it's nice, tastes good. This is taken on an empty stomach in the morning. So you take it at least 2 to 3 hours before meal, okay? Every two days. So that's it on this episode on how to treat your ulcer from the comfort of your kitchen. Don't waste your money on any medication again. This is the right recipe for you. Okay, for you to see this video, it has worked wonders. I didn't just test it on myself, I tested it on other people that that are going through the same pain. Ulcer is not a pain I wish even my enemies. So for you to see this video, it means it has worked wonders. So I encourage you to go ahead, take it. I am healthy, I am strong. Okay, I'm a testimony. Thank you.